we gotta talk about the April champion reveals in Marvel Contest of Champions, because we got 2 brand new champs, and one of them already locked behind a paywall. Yep, Lumatrix is spenders only, and I gotta say, I hate this trend. Like, we don't even know if he's good yet, and they already want us to drop cash on him? Nah. At least let us see how he plays before we're forced to decide if he's worth it. But the real hype this month? Spider-Woman. It's about time she joined the contest, and from what I'm seeing, she might just be the answer to one of the most annoying defenders in the game right now, Enchantress. Bro, you know how frustrating Enchantress is on defense. That AI? Straight up cursed. She's unpredictable, holds on to her specials like they're gold, and will randomly throw them at the worst possible moment, just to ruin your day. But based on early footage, I think Spider-Woman might be designed to shut her down. So let's break this all down, because if she's what I think she is, she's gonna be a serious problem in the best way possible. Alright, so from the sneak peek footage, I'm already seeing a lot of power stings and instant shock damage. And that's nasty. You get hit with a power sting, you take damage, you get shocked, you take damage. It's a bad time for whoever's on the receiving end. But the most interesting thing? I saw some new debuffs. And if my gut is right, these might be designed to mess with AI behavior, which if true would be insane. Because let's be real, half the battle with Enchantress is just figuring out what the hell her AI is gonna do. If Spider-Woman can force her into more predictable patterns, that's a game changer. And yeah, I know, another Spider-Verse champ. We already have like 1 billion of them. But honestly, if she's bringing new utility and big damage, I'm all for it. I'll take another spider if she makes my life easier in difficult fights. Alright, quick comic history lesson, because Jessica Drew is not just female Spider-Man. She's her own thing, and she's kind of busted. So instead of getting bitten by a radioactive spider like Peter, she got her powers through genetic experiments. Her dad was messing around with spider DNA, and boom, bioelectric venom blasts, enhanced strength, immunity to poison and toxins, and oh yeah, she can fly. And then there's the wildest part. She has pheromone manipulation. Basically, she can influence people's emotions just by being around them. Imagine if that made it into the game? A debuff that forces the opponent to be aggressive or passive? That would be broken, and I kinda love it. Oh, and fun fact, she used to work for Hydra before flipping sides and becoming a SHIELD agent and an Avenger. So yeah, she's not just another spider person. She's got a crazy backstory, and if Kabam does her justice, she's gonna be a beast. Alright, so based on everything I've seen so far, I think she's gonna hit hard with power stings, bring some nasty shock damage, and maybe even have some sneaky defensive utility. If she has any kind of AI control, that alone makes her top tier in my book. Enchantress is one of the most annoying defenders in the game right now, and if Spider-Woman is designed to shut her down, that automatically makes her a top pick. Now, we don't have her full kit yet, but if I had to guess, she's probably going to be a mix of Spider-Ham's Power Sting playstyle with added shock-based utility, and maybe some new tricks that make her stand out from the other spiders. If that's the case, she could be a sleeper OP champ. So here's where we're at. Lumatrix is locked behind a paywall. We have no clue if he's good or not, and Spider-Woman? Looking very promising. If she's got crazy power stings, big shock damage, and AI manipulating debuffs, she's gonna be a serious problem for defenders, especially Enchantress. Even if she's only great as an Enchantress counter, that's still a huge win. But what do you guys think? Are you excited for Spider-Woman, or are you kinda over all the Spider-Verse champions at this point? Let me know down in the comments, and let's talk about it. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more MCOC content, and stay tuned for all the latest updates. See you in the next one.